Hello everyone. Once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called Hlookup. Hlookup function in Excel is a function that used to search for a value in a top row of the data table or an array that and then return a value in the same column from a specified row. Let's see how Hlookup function works. Generally, Hlookup function has a 4 argument. First is lookup value, second table array, third raw index number, fourth range lookup. So first lookup value, this is the value which need to search for the row of the data table. And then table array, this is the range of a cell that contains the data which you want to search. The first row of the table array contains the value to be searched. And the next is raw index number. Raw index number, this specify the raw number in the table array from which retrieve the value. And the last one is range lookup. This is an optional argument that specify whether you want an exact match value or an approximate match value. So let's learn how Hlookup function works. So equals to Hlookup and select the lookup value E10. Now select the table array, comma. Now raw index number is 2 because we need a revenue. So raw index number this time would be 2 and comma. Now it's exact match and close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 91.56. 91.56 is a exact match. Now you can try one more time. Hlookup. You can select the lookup value as a F10. Select the table array, raw index number 2 and exact match. You get the answer as a 107.39. So in this basis you can use Hlookup function at your day-to-day work. So I just tell you there is no major difference between VLOOKUP and Hlookup. Just difference is VLOOKUP works for vertical data and Hlookup works for a horizontal data. So you can see VLOOKUP, how VLOOKUP works. VLOOKUP, you can see here one more time, VLOOKUP, comma 2, comma. So see, generally both data are same. This data is vertical and then same data is in horizontal form. So horizontal form Hlookup function will work, vertical form VLOOKUP function will work. So hope you guys have enjoyed this learning and thanks for watching this video. Happy learning. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.